John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
I, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
that you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of your ability,
to the best of my ability,
preserve,
What year is the car?
55.
55.
55 Ford Custom.
I'm trying to hurry up and catch it. I can't make it.
defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.
How long have you had it?
I only had it for 2 weeks. It was a barn fire.
Oh, okay.
And I got to cleaning it up. I got a carburetor rebuild. I just wanted to roll it up here. They canceled the show, but I just went park.
That's why I came. I was going to be the Street Corner Thunder video, but I've only had 2 vehicles and a golf cart.
No, it's a 55 Ford Custom. Barn fire 2 weeks ago.
Bessie, did you touch the window because it looks all smeary?
No, I didn't.
So it's got air conditioning?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. It's all original?
Well, it's been redone, I believe.
Okay.
I believe. But yes, you know, it's to the original. Yeah.
I was saying about the seats and everything.
Yeah. You can open it up. You can open the door.
Yeah, that's all original right in here. So.
Yeah, but that's a barn fire, but it's really nice.
Oh, yeah, that thing's well cut.
It was. The little man that had it.
What's wrong?
Wow.
All right, tell them
Unless
thank you.
it's just a yard tractor.
Yeah. Hey, I saw